Welcome to this lesson about the didactic transposition. We start with some definitions. The first one is paradigm, which is an ideal example or model. The second one is bodies of knowledge, and it's all the concepts, information, and activities that form a specific domain. The third term is didactic transposition, which is the paradigm of transforming bodies of knowledge since their production in institutions outside school until being taught at school. Why to use the didactic transposition? When scientists and experts create knowledge, that knowledge can't be taught directly at schools. It needs to be first transformed to become teachable. Who are involved in the transposition? Politicians, scholars, coursebook designers, and teachers can be involved, all of them or just a part of them. What is the process of transposition? We have two stages. The first one is having scholarly knowledge, which is the produced one outside school by institutions, scientists, and experts with the aim to be used in real life. And through transforming, we get the second stage, taught knowledge, which is produced by selecting, adapting, and rebuilding the scholarly knowledge with the aim to make it teachable and learnable content at school. And the final part of the video is the value or benefits of the didactic transposition. The first one is to show mechanism of how taught knowledge is produced by different people and through particular process. And it helps in understanding what is being done in the classroom. Thank you for watching, and I see you next time.